It's your boy Luke Rossetti here, and today I'm going to show y'all 5 different ways that you can become rich in 2024. Number 1, junk removal. Starting a junk removal business is very cheap. All you need is a pickup truck. Learn your local dumps, and get some clientele, and you be on your way to the millions. Number 2, lawn care. I know a lot of people that do lawn care and they only started off with one lawnmower and one weed whacker. You can easily do residential. Number 3, pressure washing. This is another business that you can do residential or commercial. Pressure washing is easy to get started. All you got to do is go to a place like Walmart and get a pressure washer, and you can go ahead and get started in no time. Number 4, reselling. Reselling is also good. If you do the junk removal, you get the free pieces from people's houses and you resell it for a higher price than you got it. Or if you got it for free, everything is a profit. When you get a couch, get it for low, sell it for high. Now that's reselling. Oh yeah, and any products that you have laying around the house, you can sell them too. And number 5, one of my favorite ones right here. This is what we on right now. This is YouTube. YouTube can make you money once you get monetized. They lowered the level. Now you only have to have 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours.